Pizza ovens have become an extremely popular appliance, and with good reason. They produce delicious, authentic results. But there are an abundance of models to choose from, which can make it tough to decide which one is right for you. In this video, we'll go over the different fuel types and grill styles, and some pros and cons to consider to help make your choice a little easier. The first thing you'll need to do is decide which fuel type to go with. The two most popular are gas and wood. Although there is a pretty steep learning curve for either type, gas-powered models are often considered the easier way to go. Not only do they keep the internal temperature steadier than a wood oven, which is helpful for maintaining consistent results, they also require the least amount of cleanup as there's no ash left over when you're done cooking. They'll come from the factory set up for either natural gas or liquid propane, but most models accept an optional adapter to change from one to the other. Some even come with the accessory in the box. And gas itself takes up very little storage space. However, you'll also need to keep in mind that a gas-powered pizza oven will generally take longer to get to the proper cooking temperature than a wood-fired model. They don't provide that smoky flavor you'll get with a wood-fired oven. And if you plan on using natural gas for your fuel source, it may require the use of a licensed plumber to run the line to the appropriate spot, which can be costly. If you're looking for the more traditional pizza oven taste and don't mind a bit more cleanup, wood is the way to go. There are also a couple choices within this category as well. Some models will use actual wood logs or lump charcoal, and there are also models that use wood pellets. There are varying opinions on which is better, but wood pellets are a little easier to clean up since they don't produce as much ash. Wood-fired pizza ovens will typically heat up more quickly and give you that familiar smoky pizza oven flavor. But they're not without their drawbacks as well. Storing logs for the fire takes up a lot more space than an LP tank, and you need to dedicate extra attention to the fire so it stays lit and at the proper temperature while you're cooking. But if you're not dedicated to one particular fuel type, or you just can't make up your mind, there are also models that work with gas or wood. That way you can have the best of both worlds. Once you've decided on a fuel type, you'll need to pick a style, portable or stationary. Portable pizza ovens are lighter weight, have faster preheat times, and can be moved more easily from one place to another, but they generally only have enough space to cook one pizza at a time, and they can take more than an hour to cool down before you can move them after you're done cooking. Stationary pizza ovens are larger and heavier than portable units, and can be found as freestanding models or built into a cart, similar to a barbecue grill. Because of their larger sizes, you'll have options that can accommodate more than one pizza at a time, which is great for large families or for hosting parties with several guests. These larger models also tend to be a little more forgiving during the cooking process. Because of their larger cavities, the pizza is further from the direct flames, which can help prevent burning. These models are a larger investment, but are sturdier and come in a wider variety of colors and designs. Just remember, no matter which model you choose, you now have the opportunity to create some of the most delicious pizza you'll ever taste because you have direct control over the outcome. And pizza ovens aren't just for pizza either. You can use them for roasting vegetables, baking fish, or even cooking breads. So if you're thinking about investing in one, take the plunge, you won't regret it. If you'd like help finding the right model for your needs, be sure to contact an expert at Apt by phone, email, online chat, or in person right here at our store in Glenview, Illinois. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.